In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable note-taking app is crucial for both personal productivity and small business efficiency. With so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, I'm diving into two popular contenders, Obsidian and Amplenote. Let's find out which one suits your need best. And let's start talking about ease of use. When it comes to user-friendliness, both apps have their strengths. Obsidian offers a clean interface, but its extensive customization options might present a learning curve for some users. On the other hand, Amplenote provides a more structured workflow. As one user noted, Amplenote has slightly more structured workflow, which I prefer. Now, to features and customization. Obsidian is renowned for its robust customization capabilities, allowing users to tailor the app extensively. However, Amplenote boasts a comprehensive feature set, with 260 cataloged features compared to Obsidian's 185. Notably, Amplenote offers 25 task management features that Obsidian lacks, making it a strong contender for those who prioritize task integration. Now on to pricing and scalability. Both apps offer free versions with basic functionalities. For advanced users, they provide premium plans. Users should evaluate which app offers the features they need at a price point that aligns with their budget, considering both current needs and potential future requirements. So for pricing, both of the free plans on both will do most of what you need. Now, let's talk integrations with other tools. Integration capabilities are vital for seamless workflows. Obsidian supports various plugins developed by its community, enhancing its functionality. Amplenote, while offering fewer integrations, provide a more unified experience within the app itself. Your choice may depend on whether you prefer extensive integrations or an all-in-one solution. Now for the final conclusion. Which one should you go for? If you value deep customization and a vast array of plugins, Obsidian might be your go-to. However, if a structured workflow with robust task management features is what you're after, Amplenote could be a better fit. Remember, they both have their strength and they both are incredible note-taking apps and services. But the best choice depends on your personal or business needs. Why not try both and see which aligns better with your workflow? I do encourage you to do so, as they are both incredibly powerful tools that you can benefit from. In the end, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments down below. See you all in the next one.